Hello, in this video we will show you how to deposit money to an online casino with Neteller. Go to your preferred casino app or website and check to see if it supports Neteller as a payment provider. You can do this by accessing the casino's payment area. Log into your account. Now check the online casino's deposit section. Look for the list of payment options and pick Neteller. Choose your currency. This casino's minimum deposit amount is $10, and the maximum amount is $50. Fill in the email field and select the available bonuses. Click Deposit. You will be redirected to Neteller. Log into your Neteller account and confirm the payment. Choose another card or deposit from your Neteller balance. The personal information will be blurred out for privacy reasons. Choose to confirm your payment. Your online casino money balance should be updated instantly depending on the gambling website's terms and conditions. This is the moment that you're ready to play. The money is in your casino account, and this is how you deposit money with Neteller. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel in order to be the first one to see the next videos. See you next time!